In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Revolut card to Google Pay. By the end, you'll be set up for quick, secure, contactless payments right from your Android phone. Before we begin, make sure you're on an Android device with Google Pay installed and that you're signed in. Having a stable internet connection helps, and if your phone supports contactless payments, you'll get the most out of this setup. Also, keep your Revolut app updated so the buttons and screens you see match what I'm describing. Start by opening the Revolut app on your Android device. From the home screen, look to the top right and tap the cards icon. This takes you to your list of cards inside Revolut. Choose the card you want to add. You can pick either a physical card you already use or a virtual card if you prefer a digital-only option. Both work with Google Pay and will let you pay contactlessly wherever Google Pay is accepted. Once you've selected the card, tap Add to Google Pay. The app will automatically hand you off to Google Pay, and from here you just follow the on-screen instructions. Google Pay will walk you through a brief setup to connect the card to your Google account for payments. Next, review the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read them so you know how your card will be used with Google Pay. When you're ready, accept the terms. Depending on your bank's security settings, you may be asked to verify your card. Verification is a normal security step. You might see a one-time code sent to your device or be asked to confirm in your Revolut app. Simply complete whatever verification is requested on screen. After verification, Google Pay will confirm that your card has been added. Back in Revolut, you'll also see the card listed as enabled for Google Pay. At this point, your card is ready for contactless payments. When you're out and about, just unlock your phone and hold it near the terminal when you see the contactless or Google Pay symbol. For security, make sure you keep a screen lock enabled on your phone. Google Pay requires it to protect your payments. If you don't immediately see the Add to Google Pay option in Revolut, double check that you're on the latest version of the app and that Google Pay is available in your region. Otherwise, the process is exactly as we covered. And that's it. Your Revolut card is now linked to Google Pay and ready to use. Happy tapping and enjoy faster, safer checkouts wherever Google Pay is accepted.